Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to troubleshoot Steam downloads issues. To enhance your downloading experience on Steam, these are the steps. Begin by launching the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed Steam yet, you can download and install it from the official Steam website. Once Steam is open, locate the Steam menu at the upper left corner of the window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. Within the Settings menu, look for the Downloads tab. Click on it to access the download settings where you can optimize your download preferences. Under the Downloads tab, you'll find the option for download regions. Click on this option and list of available downloads regions will appear. Choose a server that is geographically closer to your location. This choice can significantly improve your download speed. Scroll down to find the download restriction section. Uncheck the box that says Limit Bandwidth. This ensures that Steam can utilize your full internet bandwidth, maximizing download speed. Further down in the settings, you'll find an option that says Allow during download gameplay. Check this box to permit Steam to continue downloading games or updates even while you're playing. By following these steps, you've successfully optimized your Steam settings for faster download. And that's how to troubleshoot Steam downloads issues. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.